Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Anna, and if this is your first time in my channel, please do consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to get notified whenever I upload new videos and tutorials. And in today's episode, I want you to join me while I'm doing the unboxing. So this is my plant mail from BENGUET. And I am so excited to open this, and please join me until the last phase of this video because I'll be sharing with you guys who is my responsible seller of this parcel. Okay, so keep on watching. Okay, so just like what I have said before I start a while ago, that I'll be sharing with you who is my responsible seller for this plant mail. My responsible seller is Ma'am Maribel Pinas. Okay, so ipapakita ko po sa inyo sa side na to. Yan po yung kanyang Facebook account. So kung gusto po ninyong mag-order, si Ma'am Maribel po ay very accommodating and she will answer all your queries. I-search niyo lang po yung kanyang Facebook account. Okay, so and I just want to share with you guys that most of my succulents ay sa kanya po talaga galing. So, trusted seller ko na po talaga siya. And, there are times na pag nag-order ako sa kanya, dumarating ng 7 days or 8 days. Pero pagdating po talaga sa akin, the succulents are still alive. Maganda pa po siya. And talagang maganda po yung packaging. Kita naman po ninyo. Okay, and for the price, if you're going to ask me, this plant mail cost for only 760 pesos. So, ganun lang po siya kamura. Okay, and dito, yan lang po talaga yung order ko. Okay, so the rest, freebies na po sa akin ni ma'am. Pero hindi pa ako nanghihingi sa kanya guys ng freebies ha. Kapag nag-order po kasi kayo sa kanya, wag po kayo manghihingi ng freebies kasi kusang nagbibigay po si Ma'am Maribel. I will let them rest for 24 hours and then after that, aalisin ko po yung mga old soil na natira. So, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung ano po yung gagawin ko after 24 hours na makapagpahinga po itong mga succulents po na ito sa akin pong next vlog. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching while you are learning. Thank you so much and see you on my next vlog. Bye!